Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EmaCon TV. You can call me Teacher Maria Sena. And welcome back to the class. I hope you are doing well today. Now, this is part 2 of our lesson learning the letter I. Alright? Today, you are going to learn the second sound of the letter I, some vocabulary words, and their example sentences. Students, are you ready? Nice. Now, listen to me and eyes on me. Let's learn English with teacher Maria Sena. Alright, let's begin. Students, letter I is a vowel, okay? And it makes the second sound the long I sound, right? Like this one. Long I sound, okay, like this. Makes a long I sound. That's the second sound of letter I. Let's practice. I say the long I sound. I, I. Now you try and say the long I sound. That's how you do it. Alright? Now, at the beginning of these words, listen for the long I sound. Let's have the first word. Okay. Let's take a look at the picture. Okay, we have Ireland. 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 That's right. Ireland. Okay, practice. Okay. Now let's learn how to spell and write Ireland. Okay. The first letter is the long I sound. Okay, that's big letter I. And then R, letter R, and then letter E or small E. Ire. Okay, ire, and then L, L, A, N, N, and letter D. Okay, let's say Ireland. 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 For the example sentence, this is the flag of Ireland. Okay. Once again, this is the flag of Ireland. A beautiful place. That's Ireland. Okay. Let's have the second example. It's a name. Okay. Iris. 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 Okay. For the example sentence, her name is Iris. Okay. Once again, listen carefully. Her name is Iris. Alright, now let's spell and write Iris. Okay, that's big I, long I sound, R, small r, r, and then small I, and letter S. Iris, iris, iris. Try it. Iris. Alright. Okay. Another example is the third word. Okay. Iron, iron, iron. Okay. It's a household activity. Okay. So let's spell and write iron. Okay. We can start with small I and R, letter O, and letter N. Small letter N. Iron, iron, iron. For the example sentence, we can say, my mom will iron the clothes. Okay. Once again, my mom will iron the clothes. Alright. Now, let's learn the fourth example. Okay. Take a closer look. Island, island, island. Now practice. There you have it. Okay, let's write and spell island. We have, okay, small letter I and the S. Okay, L A N and D. Island. Okay, in this word, letter S is silent. Okay, that's island, island, island. Okay. Now, dear students, what can you see? I can see an island. Okay, let's hear it again. I can see an island. Wonderful, isn't it? Island. Alright, now, okay, let's have the last example for the long I or letter I at the beginning of the word is the fifth one. Okay. We have idea, idea, idea. Okay, let's write and spell idea. Let's start with a small I and D, E, and letter A. Idea, idea. Try it. Alright. Now let's use it in a sentence. She thought of an idea. Let's hear it again. She thought of an idea. Ding. Right? Now we move on to the second set of words. Students, in the middle of these words, listen for the long I sound. Let's have the first word. First word is spider. 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 Let's write and spell spider. Okay, that is letter S, and P, sp, sp. Okay, we have the long I, letter D, 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 letter E, and letter R. Spider, spider. Practice it. That's right. Okay, so the example sentence is the spider is scary. Okay, once again, the spider is scary. All right. We have another example. The second word is okay, spicy. Spicy peppers. Or just spicy. Spicy, spicy. Okay. Let's spell and write spicy. Okay. S P and the long I. Spy. Soft C. Spicy. 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 Try it. Okay. Now let's use it in a sentence. These are spicy peppers. Okay. One more time. These are spicy peppers. Okay. So spicy. Let's move on to a third example. Our second set of words. Okay, let's have rice. Rice, rice, rice. Give it your shot. Okay. Now let's spell and write rice. That's R, I, long I sound, soft C, and letter E. Rice. Rice. Okay. I like to eat rice. Okay, that's the example sentence. Once again, I like to eat rice. All right. Now, let's learn the fourth example word. We have, okay, time. 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 Okay. Time starts with letter T. T, T. The long I sound. I and M. 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 And we have letter E. Time. 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 Practice it. Now, students, we use a clock to tell the time. That's the example sentence. Okay, let's try it again. We use a clock to tell the time. Right? A clock or a watch. Now, let's have the last example. That is the fifth word. Shine. Okay. Ta-da! Shine. Okay. For the example sentence, the sun will shine. The sun will shine. Of course, let's spell and write shine. Shine starts with letter S and followed by H. Okay, we have short I, sh, small n, and e. Sh, ein, shine, shine. Okay, try it and practice. All right. Ooh, that was awesome, students. Okay, you did a wonderful job in today's lesson. Now, practice those words, spelling and writing them at home in your notebooks or papers with your parents, your mom, or maybe your dad. Now, those are some examples of words with the long I sound. It is always fun to learn about the alphabet, dear students, so try and do your best to learn each sound and how to write each letter down. Learning the letters will help you in your English journey. That's it for today's lesson. If you learned anything, don't forget to click like and share this lesson. Okay? And of course, for us to continue making more educational videos in the future, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Right there. Now, dear students, okay, stay safe and take care. I will see you again in our next